The most complete ANA Intercontinental Tokyo Hotel facilities and room tour is right here. Unbox Hotel ANA Intercontinental Tokyo. All-day full club lounge report. Newly renovated Tokyo Tower view room. Is it close to public transportation?
Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Good morning, Tokyo, and welcome to my channel. I'm right in front of Hotel ANA Intercontinental Tokyo, and stay tuned for the most complete report, especially showing you the 2024 newly renovated rooms. Don't miss it. Before we dive into the details, let me share with you how I got to Tokyo. Previously, Mama and I took the new Taiwan airline company, Starlux JX800, in both first and business class. Experience the newly opened Starlux Galactic First Class Lounge at Taipei Airport Terminal 2. Compare the first class 1K and business class 2K seats. For the complete flight report, check the link below. We landed at a Narita Airport and took a limousine bus. It's an 80-minute comfortable journey. Surprisingly, the bus stops directly at the hotel. Very convenient. And the hotel staff took over our luggage right away. We entered from the first floor. However, the main lobby is on the second floor by taking this escalator. The first impression, this hotel has a classic 5-star vibe with its own shops, great spaces, and numerous premium restaurants, even though a bit dated, but good maintenance. Soon, let me show you the Club Lounge check-in process. As an IHG member, I have Club Lounge access. After informing the staff we didn't need to check in here, but could follow her to the Premium Lounge on the 35th floor. Unlike the hotel lobby, the high-floor Club Lounge has amazing natural light and it's quiet inside. This is the largest Club Intercontinental Lounge in Tokyo. True premium touches can be found here. We arrived at 3 p.m, just right time for afternoon tea. Let me walk around and discover this lounge first. In the buffet area, there are a few selections of fruits and soft drinks in the fridge, and some biscuits on the table. However, they don't look attractive, right? Because the main theme is not here. This is the signature part of the Club Lounge afternoon tea set. Looks amazing, isn't it? With this sky treetop view. Everything is perfect here, but the taste doesn't follow. However, it was still a very decent check-in experience since we didn't need to queue in line. Now we are heading to our room. Room 2507. It is a classic room but has a completely new renovation this year. I will go through the room tour later, but you must check the main feature first. The iconic Tokyo Tower view. Let's start the room tour. Of course, the minibar is my favorite. In the fridge, there are well-stocked great beverages, but nothing is free. Japanese teapot and cups are elegantly provided. Or you may fancy hot coffee with an espresso machine and capsules. A 5-star luxurious hotel should have such a setup. Here are some snacks available, though not cheap. Don't forget there's a family mart downstairs. In the wardrobe, bathrobes, iron board, iron, and slippers are available. Laundry bags, a hairdryer, and sleeping clothes are right here. They chose the Mod's hair brand. It's actually strong enough. Since this room is small, initially I was worried about the small toilet. Obviously it's well designed. Let's check the details. I like Berido amenities very much. The toilet is equipped with a washlet feature, but manually operated. This wooden box has full amenities in it. Let me unbox it. It comes with all essentials, so no need to worry if you forgot something. Wow, surprised to find a bathtub and separate shower, also supplied by Rido brand products. Even though there's no window with low ceilings, the built material makes this bathroom neat and tidy, full of relaxation. Alright, let's look around this beautiful compact room. It's very important for a new room to have USB-C and USB ports to charge your personal electronics. For the light control, you can easily choose the mode you like. By the way, there's no universal power socket, only Japanese power cord. Right after we settled everything, it's happy hour time. Let's head to the lounge. We've been assigned to a window seat and enjoy the amazing Tokyo skyline. Feel free to stop the evening menu. There's a buffet with cold items, and you can also order hot tapas from the staff. Let's take a look around here. Truly well stocked and great presentation in the lounge. They are mostly international offerings. All look so delicious and high quality, right? I can even cut this super fresh veg and eat it directly. And the main theme in Japan should be Japanese sushi. Even though there are only a few selections, all are of very good quality. Of course, don't miss the free-flow famous champagne, Moet and Shandong. Cocktails and wines are also available. Tapas are served nicely. And finally, this is what we got. Pretty chill, isn't it? After the meal, we found that the room had been cleaned. Turn-down service has been provided, and welcome snacks put on the table. Alright, it's been a long day. Let's prepare for sleep and enjoy the Tokyo Tower before we unbox the facilities and club lounge breakfast.
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Good morning, Tokyo Tower. Happy to see you in the morning. Reminder, just spotted a graveyard down there. If that could be one of your concerns, could choose another angle of the hotel rooms. Now I know what's the purpose of this small slot. Let's take a look at the fitness center and swimming pool before breakfast. It's named Katsu for the fitness center. I'm not sure if this is considered good or not, since I'm not a gym person. Some video clips for your reference. There is also a sauna available. I'm sure I'm the only person inside, so feel free to take a look at the facilities if this is what you are looking for. Amenity is also Bairedo. Both the steam room and dry sauna are right here for you. Next, in a luxurious 5-star hotel, a swimming pool is probably essential. At ANA Intercontinental Tokyo, it used to have extra charges for entering the pool, but nowadays it's open for everyone who stays in the hotel during the summer. Alright, let's go. It's a chill morning, around 21 degrees Celsius, so no one is swimming. However, during a hot summer, this could be a good place for kids. Even young kids have their own kids' pool. I realized the window doesn't prevent people from looking in from outside, so worth noting about it, don't forget to close your curtains. Here is a short clip of the changing room. Again, I'm sure no other people are inside, so I'm free to film it. After the facility tour, I am hungry now, and it's time to unbox the Club Lounge breakfast. As always, there are not only set menus, but also buffet offerings. Feel free to pause anytime for the menu. It's a bit funny that they asked what I wanted to drink. I'd like to have juice, please. The juice is at the buffet. Oh, alright, I will take it myself. Other buffet options for cheese and even sushi are available. There are not only Japanese-style breakfasts, but also international options. Many types of pastries and honeys as well. Beautifully presented salads. Many cereals. Soft drinks and yogurts are in the fridge. The buffet is already good enough. How about the made-to-order breakfast sets? Egg Benedict is great, but became normal here. My favorite is Pierre Gagnère breakfast, which is from a Michelin 2-star restaurant upstairs. Highly recommend their croissants and homemade butter. Super tasty, but can't order a la carte. Only available as a set. Japanese traditional set is also the signature breakfast.
So this is the Narita Intercontinental Tokyo in the Club Lounge. The Japanese breakfast. Looks fancy, right? So let's see what's inside. Oh, so I got 4 types of food inside. Wow, lovely. Truly Japanese style. Another 4 flavors. And this is cold. This is kind of warm. This is hot. With Japanese rice and also a miso soup. Let's start.
Must add natto and an extra egg. Let me show you how to enjoy natto in local style. Use chopsticks to stir the natto vigorously until it becomes sticky and stringy. This usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Don't forget the final gesture. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Let me clean it. Well, stir it fully with careful, please. Nowadays, it's super busy for international tourists to visit Tokyo. There are many fun topics to be found in Tokyo, like visiting a traditional temple that is famous for money laundering legally, like this. Not only getting amazing raw fish at Tsukiji Fish Market and real freshly fried tempura, but also don't miss the iconic Tokyo Tower trip. After all the amazing visits and heading back to the hotel, if you have luggage or a stroller with you, I recommend leaving from Tamaike Sano Station, exit 14. There are many stairs to climb from exit 13. Finally, tonight, we decided to dine in at the hotel and experience the premium local taste at Sushi Kenzan, located on the 3rd floor. It delivered amazingly fresh food and good service. We ordered 2 sets, costing us more than 24,000 yen. However, very important note for you. If you are an IHG ambassador or book via the luxury and lifestyle program, your dining credit does not apply to this restaurant. That caused us a bit of a challenge during checkout. It's worth letting you know. Very soon, my 3-day visit is about to end. I decided to have my breakfast at Cascade Cafe in the main lobby. It's a full buffet breakfast, delivering continental and quality food. The options are more than in the Club Lounge upstairs. But of course, the service level is different, considering the Club Lounge is more personalized. Furthermore, the Club Lounge has premium set menus that are not offered in Cascade Cafe. Next time, I will definitely continue to have my breakfast at the lounge. Before we head to the summary, I will show you around their offerings. This normal croissant is far from Michelin 2-star croissant. Some more video clips for you. It actually supplies a great selection of breakfast buffet in Tokyo, and definitely will make you full and get ready to start your leisure or business journey. Interestingly, this entrance has been blocked and turned to a part of the buffet area.
So in summary, we stay in the ANA Intercontinental Hotel Tokyo, and the best part is this newly renovated room that we stay this time. It's just finished the renovation early this year. Okay, Trimama, what's your favorite part of ANA Intercontinental Hotel Tokyo?
Of course, the view, because you can see the Tokyo Tower right in front of you from the room, even at night. When it's light up, it's really beautiful.
And we also visit the Club Intercontinental Lounge, and this lounge is the best lounge in the IHG group in Tokyo. So it's massive, and they got afternoon tea, they got a happy hour, and also the breakfast. I highly recommend their breakfast, the French Michelin 2-star breakfast. Their croissant is definitely amazing. Highly recommended.
In my next video, I will unbox the largest 5-star hotel room I have ever stayed in Tokyo, where I can even jog inside at the Strings by Intercontinental Tokyo. Experience amazing club lounge services with amazing Tokyo skyline views.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.